Hello, how are ya? I hope you're doing well. I apologize. It's been quite some time since I last put out a video. I'm really sorry about that. There's been a lot happening. Not all of it's been great. I work for a university that's been in the news a lot, globally probably. And we got hit with some layoffs recently. And I've had to work pretty feverishly trying to make up for the loss of some really good people. So that's been a huge bummer in multiple ways. But what isn't a bummer and why I have a video today is I actually won a sign-up sale, which does not happen very often. I actually won a Puchicon, a tough tank. I think it's the Glow M. Taka, if you're watching this, thank you so much. This is so exciting. He got this out to me super quick. I was really amazed at how quickly it arrived. I just haven't had an opportunity to actually do an unboxing, so that's what we're doing tonight. Super excited about this. The Puchicon, yeah, I mean, the reputation and the name sort of precedes itself. So, yeah, let's go ahead and open this guy up. Again, still not a knife guy, so we're rocking an X-Acto knife. I'm going to be kind of careful as I cut this, because I don't know what's on the other side. All right. Okay. Oh, very nice. You guys see that? Made in Japan. It's awesome. I've been following Taka on Facebook for quite some time. I know he is currently in school to learn CNC and fidget making. So just a delightful person. And, even if I didn't win any of these, I would still definitely be rooting for him because he's just seems to be such a sincere person who's really trying and succeeding at what he wants to do. So, I mean, who can't root for somebody like that, right? All right. Thank you, Matthew. Taka. Well, thank you, Taka. It's awesome. Okay, so here is the Tough Tank. There's a QR code for a disassembly video. Awesome. Okay. I love the little box. It's great. Let's see. Here we go. Oh, okay, so it's got it. Oh, wow. I mean, geez. I mean, can we talk a little bit about just the level of detail that he has bothered putting in here? It's just, you can tell when somebody really cares about what they're doing. And that's not to say that other people who don't do things like this, they don't care. Of course they do. They're putting their time and they're learning new skills. But I think it's also really all right to just kind of appreciate when somebody's doing it at just a really high level. So this is definitely the case with Taka. So, all right, so we've got on this side. Let me see if you can hear this. So these buttons are super satisfying to push. This button here goes in, it feels like it goes in a little deeper. And if you notice too, we've got a little cutout. I'm assuming the other one has that for the, yeah. So you know exactly where the buttons are, these special buttons are at based on the little indentation that they have here. So yeah, so obviously it's called the Tough Tank because it's supposed to be incredibly durable, and I have absolutely no doubt that's going to be the case here. Really satisfying click. Yes. Nice. So let me just ooh. So obviously you guys know I have no skills. So if I'm able to do this, that's pretty great. This has a very satisfying feel. It's it grabs at a really, really nice rate, meaning that it's not too strong and it's not really super soft either. It's very Goldilocks. It's just right. So yeah, And, you know, kind of sliding right off the bat, what you feel, you get this additional, like when I'm just pushing up here, you get this additional tactile feel with the buttons that is really satisfying. So you're getting the pull and the crunch of the magnets, and then once you apply any sort of pressure right here, you can feel it on both sides, which is just fantastic. So yeah, I get it. I understand why people are so enamored with the Puchicon. It really is great. I am already a fan, and I mean, wow. I know I'm not doing a great job of describing what it feels like, but you know, if you're thinking about something that's really, really snappy and strong, like let's say like a Magnus, oh geez, kind of the crazy fiber with the Swiss plate Magnus. That's not what this feels like. It's a little bit softer in a lot of ways. I mean, the magnets are still doing a great job. They're holding it, but it doesn't feel like it's, you know, really gripping it hard. But it's also not super soft, kind of like what I was feeling with the version 2 of the Nutter Butter slider or the Hubblecraft, where both of those are amazing. I still use them often. In fact, I've got another video coming up of the Hubblecraft slider, but this is somewhere really in the middle, and it's a very, very happy middle. I can't tell you like how easy this is. It doesn't feel like it's going to go flying off, you know, like not that it would really matter apparently, like, because this is the tough tank, it's supposed to be able to take a couple of spills, right? But yeah, I understand the desire for these. It's not just, you know, very good slick marketing. Taka has done a great job of the videos that he puts out preceding these. But yeah, this is great. Let me see. I didn't plan on doing this. Let me see if the glow, if it's visible. Oh yeah. So this is UV light. Yeah, that should be pretty visible to everybody. I can try to turn off the light here. I don't know. I mean, it's not going to be complete darkness. Oh yeah, that's better. Definitely better. Very cool. So I am a fan. Again, Taka, if you're watching, thank you so much, man. This is great. So yeah, gang, this is the Puchicon Tough Tank Camo, Glow Camo, M, I believe. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will be back. I won't take that long again to make another video. I already have another fidget to show, and super excited about that one as well. But this is pretty much exceeded expectations. This is great. Can't wait to mess around with it a little bit. So thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, if you have any questions, I hope I described about as much as I could, but if you need to see something different about the Puchicon or hear something different, definitely let me know, and I'll be happy to answer questions. I really appreciate the people writing in. I actually just got some good advice from another video recently about how to make sure that you're not messing up screws if you go in to aluminum with a steel screw or vice versa, and that was super appreciated. So yeah, it's I really enjoy all the insight that you have, and that you're willing to share. So definitely don't hesitate to reach out. So hope you guys are having a great weekend. Really do appreciate the time hanging out with me for the unboxing. Thank you again, Taka, and I will see you guys in the next one. Have a good night.